introduce you to Gene Priscelli. So we're going to be working with Gene November the 30th for his fundraising event called Reflections. And it's an event that is really dear to my heart because it has to do with art therapy. Gene, give us like 30 seconds about your company.
Yeah, Premier Arts Collective, we're an organization based here in South Carolina, and we focus on art and music as a means for therapy for people who've suffered from trauma and abuse around the world. Whether it's those girls who have been sold into sex trafficking or veterans struggling with PTSD or whatever traumas that people have in their lives. And let's face it, we've all got traumas in our lives. And then those people who are just underprivileged, born into circumstances out of their control. We feel that the path to healing and overcoming those things that burden us within are made so much richer, and it's so quicker through art and music. And that's why we love the arts, and that's why we're Premier Arts Collective.
And that is why you are going to come. I'm going to put the information in the bio. If you cannot attend, just please give a donation, and we'll be going live. So you can also do a donation live. Once again, that's November 30th from 7 to 8:30 at Open Studios in downtown Greenville. See you there.